So morning guys, and welcome back to another video. Today I've just arrived in proper wilderness country here, and I'm in literally a cabin in the woods in the middle of nowhere. And on this actual patch, this is 120 acres, but obviously it's surrounded by just endless forest and lakes. I just got up, took the dogs out, and I've got a load of cameras up as well. I got here yesterday afternoon, and I put 4 trail cams up, so I need to go and check those. So we're in deer, moose, bear, puma, coyote, wolf area, so usual mammal stuff, and obviously lots of other bird species, lots of birds of prey. Absolutely fantastic. So I was taking the dogs out, and I heard a common loon, which I don't know if you watched my last video, so I'll just put a link above. When I went away with my family for a week to a place called Halliburton Highlands, and didn't manage to get any decent shots of the loon, so I'm not sure I'm going to be able to get a great shot of them here. So I've got a 300 prime lens on my shoulder. I've got a teleconverter or 2 in my pocket, so maybe I'll get lucky, but it's going to head on down. Bit of a short walk to get to a lake and see if we get lucky. So guys, what you can't see on my waist, I've got a bum bag, as we call them in the UK, and they call them fanny pouches here in North America. But I've got a bear horn spray and some other bits and bobs in there, just in case we do get an early morning encounter with a black bear along the path. It's not unheard of. Spoke to the cabin owners yesterday, and they do get bears here a lot, and moose. It's a good spot for moose, which I'm going to check out later in the week. Apparently it's more chance of seeing the moose than the black bear, so who knows. But they have had trail cams out here as well, the owners, and they said they had seen a timber wolf last year. Not even really sure too much about timber wolf, but anyway, it's a good time to be up and about. This walk was longer than I remember. Right, I'm going to keep my wits about me now. I've got this 300 precariously balanced on my shoulder here. I don't want to go down with this. So, right, here we go. I'm approaching the lake now. There's a bit of mist coming over it. Beautiful. So you can see, guys, it's just a dirt track to get in here. It's beautiful. Watching the sun come up. Lovely. This is one of those situations, guys, when you can just imagine like a moose coming in through here, feeding. Lovely bit of early morning light coming up there, just illuminating this lovely little stretch of water here. Lots of turtles in here, snapping turtles, I think. Not really sure. There are a few species of turtles here in North America, but it's absolutely wonderful. I think it's going to be a pretty hot day today. But it's pretty quiet at the minute. There's a few bird species about, so if I can get a few good shots of those this morning. But yeah, listen to that. So nice. No loons yet though. So guys, down by the lake here, it's absolutely lovely. There's a lovely bit of mist just rolling across the water at the moment. This is where I heard the loon calling from this morning. They cover quite a large area, so it's unlikely to come right in front of me. And with a 300 lens here at the moment, as I say, I got the 1.4 and the 2 times in my bag in case I need it. Maybe there's a chance I could get a shot of its environment, I guess, at quite a distance. But to be honest, it's just lovely to be here. Sound of birds, sound of water. Really, really nice. There's nobody about, so quiet. So I'm looking for an area of cover for the loons as well. So to my right here, there's a lot of reed, sort of long grass, vegetation in the water. So I'm kind of thinking that that'll be a good place for them to lay up as well. But nothing at the moment. This is quite a big lake. So it literally could be anywhere, needle in that haystack. So I'm nice and low here. Just going to sit, chill out, and hope for the best. So guys, I'm just heading out in the car just for 5-6 minutes up the road, and we came across this massive lake on the way in, and there was a lovely, lovely loon. And I said to my son and my wife, first person to spot a loon gets a special prize. And no sooner than I said it, a loon popped up just off the shore. Closest I've ever seen one. Amazing. Camera was in the backpack, in the back. But we saw it and it was nice, got out. And as soon as I got out of the car, the loon popped up, saw me sort of on the side of the road parked, and then proceeded to then swim into the middle of the lake. So yeah, so we're gonna go back, see if we can have a little look, just sit quiet and see if we get lucky. So guys, we've got some wild turkeys on the road here, just in front. Hey. Massive they are. And disappear. Wow. So guys, I've just parked up and I found the loon in the middle of the lake. Got the sun right behind it, so rubbish position for the images, but I just want to see it, and it's fantastic. I've filmed a little bit, and I'm sort of tucked in behind these trees here to give me a bit of cover. I see if I can get a bit lower down shortly. I'm just trying to get away from that harsh light shooting straight into the sun. It's lovely to see it glistening on the water there. Absolutely beautiful. And there's still a lot of mistiness on the lake. So this is obviously a really good spot for this loon. So we'll have a go here later in the week and see if we can get some tighter shots, hopefully. I'll just share with you a little bit of footage that I've just captured of that loon just coming through the water. Beautiful. Oh, it's amazing to see. It's getting a little bit closer now. Well guys, that was absolutely superb. The loon came right across the lake and then came right in close with me, which was fantastic. I think I found its good little stomping ground there, and that's where I saw it yesterday. So the light is really, really bad, not ideal at all. What I'm going to do is I've just checked down below here. I've got my Tragopan Lagopus with me, and I'm going to set that up just down the water as that sun's gone round, get the evening light, and hopefully the loon will come in and visit. A bit of a long shot, but I'm going to give it a go. It's a beautiful bird. It came in, and as soon as it got in real close, I mean really close, it saw me and then moved away. So clearly a twitchy bird. So I'm just going to need to conceal myself in the hide with the tripod, with the Canon 1DX3 and the 300. I fitted the 2x telly for all the video and for the stills I got this morning, and also had a great time with some warbler species, a flurry of them behind me in a young copse of trees. Really, really nice. Hopefully they got some half decent ones there as well. But yeah, with the 2x on, not sure, never shot with the 2x on the 300 before. I think it's half decent. We will see when I get back and have a look on the computer. But it was just lovely, to be honest, to see the loon in the early morning light. It's a shame that it was so silhouetted like it was. But I'm going to get back here in the evening when that light swung around and I've got the light behind me and they got lovely illumination across the water. Get down nice and low on the water's edge there and hopefully we'll get some great shots. Bird of prey there. Don't know what it is, just flew off. There it goes.